Heading up now after another night, listening to the symphony of barking that the doggos offer you each night here in Romania. Beautiful singing, they talking and peeping. Yes, going through Transylvania now, heading to Sighiștoara tonight maybe, and the villages beautiful here in CÂRșA. So maybe doing 80k or 100k depending on the camps, no idea. Just gotta hit the road, you know, and see these new landscapes. Episode 42 of the long ride to Byzantium. Thank you for being with me, guys. The days before were crazy. Look at this house, baby. I'll see Transylvania, what it has to offer. Spread up. Here's a makeshift bridge in Transylvania. Homemade. Hope I survive. The fields of Transylvania. Beautiful. Yeah, peeps, amazing. The heart of Transylvania. The town of CÂRșA, on the fortified tower of the house of the Lord. Transylvania peeps is really something else. This place, there's something about it. An untouched medieval church, I bet, from the 13th or 14th century. Just casually sitting here in a village in Transylvania. Pretty chill. Village of Talishar. Soon arriving to Biertan through this beautiful valley. I'm visiting the fortified churches and villages here in the area of Transylvania, historically known as the Saxon Transylvania, because in the 13th century some peeps came here from Western Europe to colonize the place and settle, you know, searching for better opportunities. So gonna check their architecture and the trace they left here, and now they're not here, those peeps. German-speaking Romanians, because they were kicked out by the Reds after World War II. So I read about it, it's a pretty exciting story. The story of these guys is just so cool. That's why I'm in this long journey to Byzantium, to discover the history of Europe on this place and humanity doing some insane stuff. I think it's over there, the church. 45 Church of Biertan. It looks pretty dope, peeps. It looks pretty dope. It's insane. Look at that. Here it is. Insane. It's insane, this building. It's like a small fortress. Well, actually it is. I wasn't certainly expecting this. It's much bigger than I thought. And looks pretty hardcore, I must tell you. Looks pretty hardcore. Well preserved walls, I would say. So this is where the villagers came when the Ottomans and the Turks and the Russ and the Reds and everyone was coming here to invade. It's like a community center. So I'm gonna go for my lunch here to digest this. Doggo. Cute doggo. Beautiful doggo. The Saxon doggo. Är du söt eller? Är du söt? Crazy place. Yeah, I gotta tell you, it's pretty dope, this place. Really nice detour. Lots of original details. This is crazy, peeps. Being in a German church in the middle of Romania. So crazy. It's really insane, these mad Saxons. Definitely super cool, this church castle. The pious Saxons defending their faith from the brutes that were attacking them. That was definitely cool. But now I need to head to SIGHIFOARA so I don't get too late at camp. Another UNESCO heritage city here in Transylvania. Beautiful indeed. Long live Romania. Beautiful Transylvania. I gotta thank my mate Katalin in Rivnica for recommending this place. He said it was amazing, and indeed it is. CÂRșA 21. The real Romania part 2. The lovely town of Danish. 9K to go. This is SIGHIFOARA, and it's up there. But I'm not going there yet, peeps, because tomorrow actually I'm going to Cluj Napoca to visit a friend's friend. So I'm gonna take the bus there and explore the place on the weekend, you know, hang out with the locals and the peeps. So that was it. Going on a detour to Cluj. So until next one, SIGHIFOARA. Oh my gosh, look at that church. And the crowds fly. I'll simply see this town another time in a few days because I'm gonna cycle from Cluj Napoca back here, I think. Yeah, it's over there, that city. So yeah, peeps, gonna look for camp, and thank you for watching and subscribing and supporting The Long Ride by Byzantium, episode number 42 or 33. So the camp is somewhere here, peeps. What? Shady area. Some industrial wasteland. Seems pretty nice after all. I think it's here. Some doggos. Not bad at all. Good night, peeps.